Annapolis had more contracts this report than last, while days before a seller received a contract improved to 17 median days. It's Friday, June 20th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. In addition to lower days before a contract, Annapolis is also still enjoying homes selling at a median 100% of list price. Let's look at inventory activity. Active inventory rose 3.6% this week to 230 homes for sale. Another 27 properties are coming soon. 37 homes went under contract and days on the market improved to 17 median days. 36 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio and in 6 days. There are 29 homes for lease at $3,100 median dollars per month. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 20th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.